evening students, welcome back. Welcome to the Abacus classes. I am your Abacus teacher, Miss Garima Singh. How are you kids? I hope you are in the best of your health. So kids, in my previous videos, I have explained you how you will add the numbers with the help of Abacus tool. Yes students, I have told you how you will subtract and add, means addition and subtraction, how you will do with the help of Abacus tool. Now students, today I will tell you the same, but there is some different method. So kids, before starting our today's video, please bring your Abacus tool and keep it with you. As I will do this sum, you will do with me. Okay kids? Very nice. Now kids, as you can see here, there is 4 plus 1 plus 3. Now you can see that these are all one digit numbers. Means we will put these numbers in ones rod. You can say ones rod or units rod also you can say. So in this rod we will put this number. Now you will think that ma'am, it's very easy. You have told us this before. But kids, there is one difference here. Yes, previously when you are adding any number, पहले जब आप कोई भी number add करते थे, so there was always the beads. Beads आपको हमेशा मिलती थी. But this time you will get lack of beads. यहाँ पर आपको beads की कमी होगी. So let's start. When we will do this sum, then you will get it. But before starting this sum, I want to tell you something kids. See here, I have written small friends method. The addition which we will do today is the small friends method. It is called small friends method. जो addition हम आज करेंगे उसे small friends method कहते हैं. And our today's addition is based on plus 1. Means we have to add 1 everywhere. You will get it when we will do the sum. Now kids, you have to learn this. Now what is this? You will think, see, 1 arrow 4 means 1 is the friend of 4. See here kids, like one is Ram and the second is Sham. Ram is the friend of Sham. So Sham will be the friend of Ram. If Ram will be the friend of Sham, then Sham will be the friend of Ram. Same way, if I will be the friend of yours, then you will be the friend of me. अगर मैं आपकी दोस्त होंगी तो आप मेरे दोस्त होंगे. Same way, 1 is the friend of 4 and 4 is the friend of 1. 1 4 का friend होता है and 4 1 का friend होता है. This you have to learn it. You have to remember it. And 2 is the friend of 3 and 3 is the friend of 2. 2 होता है 3 का friend, 3 होता है 2 का friend. Kids, just remember this because this we will use afterwards also in our sums and in other PDFs also we will use this. So what you have to learn, that 1 is the friend of 4 and 4 is the friend of 1 and 2 is the friend of 3 and 3 is the friend of 2. See, 2 is the friend of 3 and 3 is the friend of 2. 1 is the friend of 4 and 4 is the friend of 1. So kids, this you have done. Same way this also. 10 is the friend of 40 and 40 is the friend of 10. 20 is the friend of 30 and 30 is the friend of 20. This friends you have to learn. Now after this, I will tell you how you will apply these friends in this question. Now see, first of all you have to add 4 in ones rod. Now see, ones rod is here, you have to add 4. I have told you that when you have to add something, you have to put the beads up. and when you have to subtract something, you have to put the beads down. So 4 you have to add. So add 4 means put the 4 beads up. One, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads up. So this we have done. Now see students, you have to add 1. आपको 1 ऐड करना है. But can you see any bead is there? क्या कोई bead यहाँ पे है? No. Now this is the thing. Yes. You use small friends method when there is lack of beads. Lack means कमी. जब किसी बीट की कमी होती है तब आप स्मॉल फ्रेंड्स मेथड का यूज करते हो. When there is lack of bead, then you use the small friends method. Yes students, previously whatever sums you have done from the PDFs in your abacus notebooks, they are all simple sums. Simple means you will always have the beads here. But our today's sum is somewhat different. They are addition, but they are different. Different means that you have to add a number but bead will not be there. आपको कोई नंबर ऐड करना होगा लेकिन बीट नहीं होगी. सो इन दिस केस मीन्स दैट व्हेनेवर यू हैव टू ऐड द बीड एंड बीड विल नॉट बी देयर. जब आपको कोई बीड ऐड करनी होगी और बीड आपके पास नहीं होगी, सो एट दैट टाइम यू विल गो फॉर फ्रेंड्स. सी व्हेन यू गेट इन एनी ट्रबल इन द स्कूल, जब आप स्कूल में किसी ट्रबल में आ जाते हैं, कोई परेशानी में आ जाते हैं, और यू डोंट हैव पेंसिल और यू डोंट हैव इरेजर, सो व्हाट यू डू एट दैट टाइम? आप क्या करते हैं उस टाइम पे? यू गो फॉर द फ्रेंड्स हेल्प. यस, आप अपनी फ्रेंड के पास जाते हैं हेल्प के लिए. सेम वे यू हैव टू ऐड 1 बट द बीड इज नॉट देयर. सो व्हाट यू विल डू? यू विल टेक द हेल्प ऑफ योर फ्रेंड. This friend, yes, that's why I have called them friends. So kids, you have to add 1. आपको 1 को add करना है लेकिन beat नहीं है. So what you have to do? Just remember. First of all, see with these friends I have written this 5, and with these friends I have written 50. Now why I have written this 5 and 50? Because before taking the help of friend, you have to add them. Yes, अपनी फ्रेंड से हेल्प लेने से पहले आपको इनको ऐड करना है. Yes, now 1 you have to add, but the beat is not there. So what you will do? You will add 5 and you will subtract the friend. Yes students, just remember it. See, you have to add 1. आपको 1 को ऐड करना है, but bead is not there. There is lack of beads. So what you will do? First of all, you will add 5. आपको 5 को ऐड करना है. 5 add means 5 bead down. Then you have to subtract your friend. Now what is the friend of 1? 1 का friend कौन था? 4. So you have to minus 4. Minus 4 means 4 beat down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again I am repeating kids. What you have to do? See, you have to add 1. But the bead is not there. आपको 1 को ऐड करना है लेकिन बीट नहीं है. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल ऐड 5. आप 5 को ऐड करेंगे बिकॉज दीज आर द सम्स ऑफ ऐड. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल ऐड 5. Add. So first of all you have to add 5. Add 5 means plus 5. Plus 5 you have done, 5 down. Then secondly what you have to do? You have to subtract the friend. Yes, 1 ऐड करने के लिए आपको friend को subtract करना होगा. तो 1's friend is 4. so you will subtract 4. तो 4 आपने डाउन कर दिया and your 1 is added. Nothing you have to do. फिर आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. Just remember kids, what you are doing, you are adding 5, subtracting the friend. Just remember, if you have to add 1, अगर आपको 1 को add करना है and beat नहीं है. Our today's topic is +1. Means that whatever sums we will do, they are all related to +1 only. So whenever we have to add 1 and bead is not there, हमें 1 को ऐड करना है लेकिन बीड नहीं है abacus टूल में. So what you will do? First of all you will add 5. Add 5. Just remember what you have to do. Add 5 and subtract the friend. Friend को subtract कर दो means friend को दूर कर दो. 5 को add कर लो, friend को subtract कर दो. Understanding kids? I hope you are getting this. Now next you have to add 3. Now add 3. 3 means put the 3 beads up. Now this also done. Now count 5, 6, 7, 8 and 8 is your answer. Kids, it's very easy. If you will practice it, you can do in some seconds. Yes kids. Now we will go for our second sum. You will get it more. You all know that this rod goes in ones, or you can say units rod. Now students, as you can see your sum is there. This today you will only do the sums related to this. This 2 and 3 and 20 and 30 I will explain you in our next video. I have written this so that you can get some idea. Yes, today you will only do the sums related to this. So you only have to keep it in your mind that 1 friend is 4 and 4 friend is 1. 10 friend is 40 and 40 friend is 10. Yes. So kids, again we will do this. Now I have told you that whenever you have to add 1, आपको 1 add करना है and beat is not there. So what you will do? First of all you will add 5. आप क्या add करेंगे? 5. And then you will subtract your friend. आप अपने friend को अपने से दूर कर देंगे, subtract कर देंगे. Yes. So you will add 5 and you will subtract your friend. Now what is the friend of 1? The friend of 1 is 4. So you will subtract 4. Yes. See, first of all you will add 5 and then you will subtract 4 means you will minus 4 and your 1 is added. Nothing you have to do. Now we will do our second sum related to it. Now first of all you have to add 2. Now add 2 means put the 2 beads up. 1, 2. Now again you have to add 2. See, bead is there? Yes. So again you will add 2. 1, 2. 2 beads up. Now see, you have to add 1. अब आपको 1 add करना है and you can see here bead is not there. So whenever you have to add 1, our topic is add 1. So whenever you have to add 1, what you will do? First of all, you will add 5. So add 5. And you will subtract the friend. Now one friend is 4. So you will subtract 4. Subtract means minus. Minus means put the beads down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads down. And your 1 is added. Nothing you have to do. See, again I am repeating what we have done. We have added 5 and we have subtracted the friend. हमने 5 ऐड किया, फ्रेंड को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. Just grasp it in your mind that we have to add 5 and we have to subtract the friend. Add 5, subtract the friend. Add 5, subtract the friend. Okay, kids? So kids, here is the answer now. The answer is, see, no bead is there and only this bead is there. So it's 5. The answer is 5. Kids, one thing more, those students who have not completed their previous work and have not seen the previous videos, please watch the previous videos and learn how to add in the tool first of all, and then go through this video, because if you will directly see this video you will not get it, because step by step we are going, kids. First of all, I have told you how to add, then how to subtract, then how to use the tool, how to put the beads in the tool. So slowly we are learning. Now this you can do only when you know how to add the numbers in the tool. So please go through the previous videos and then watch this video. And one more thing, first of all complete your previous work. So now kids, we will go for this now. So our third sum now. Set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Twenty, 10. This will go in 1's rod, this will go in 10's rod. Now, always you do. First of all, put the numbers. When you will get lack of beads, then I will explain you. So, first of all, 0 in 1's rod, 0 means nothing. 2 in 10's rod, 2 in 10's rod means 2 beads up. 1, 2. Second, this is done. Now, 0 in 1's rod, 0 means nothing. 2 in 10's rod, 2 means 2 beads up. 1, 2. This is also done. Now next, you have to add 10. आपको 10 add करना है. Now where you will add 10? You will add 10 here. And see, bead is there? No bead is there. You have to add 10. So for adding 10, what you have to do? First of all, you have to add 50. And then subtract the friend. What is the friend of 10? 40. See, first of all, add 50 and subtract the friend. What I have told you? See, this is 10 and this is 10. For 1, you will use this. And for 10, you will use this. So, you have to add 10 and bead is not there. Add first of all 50. So, 50 means this. This is 50. So, add 50 means put the 50 bead down. Done? Now, you have to subtract the friend. After adding 50, you have to subtract the friend. So, what is the friend of 10? See, 40. So 40 you have to subtract. Subtract means minus. Minus means put the beads down. So 10, 20, 30, 40. And 10 is added. What I have done? First of all, I have added 50. मैंने 50 को add किया. And then I have subtracted the friend. मैंने friend को subtract किया. So what is the friend of 10? 40. So 40 I have subtracted. Now what is the answer? See, count here. Nothing is there. Here is 50. And here is also nothing. You can do like this also, that here is 5. And here is nothing means 0. So answer is 50. So students, with this video, I have given you one practice PDF. All the sums in that PDF are related to +1. Yes, either you have to add +1 or you have to add plus 10. या तो आपको plus 1 ऐड करना होगा या plus 10 करना होगा. For 1 what you have to do, add 5, subtract the friend. And for 10 what you have to do, add 50 and subtract the friend. I hope students you get this today's video, and I also hope that you have done your work in your abacus notebook. आपने अपना पुराना काम अपनी abacus notebook में किया होगा. Students, don't make your work pending. Just complete your work in time and make a regular study timetable. Students, next time we will meet with the new friend, new video, new concept, new trick and new activity. So till then, make sure you watch every single video and stay tuned to my video to learn more. Thank you.